attention! Someone calls for help! Oh no, the building is on fire! Firefighter, please come and put out the fire! The water gun can douse the fire! Firefighter Kiki sets off! Firefighter Kiki, this is the building that is on fire! Don't be afraid, Bunny. Firefighter Kiki is here to put out the fire. Slide the water gun to put out this terrible fire. Slide the joystick to extinguish the fire on the other side. Put out this terrible fire. All fires have been successfully extinguished. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, remember to cover your mouth and nose with a wet towel and find a safe place to wait for rescue when a house is on fire. Removed. Bye. Goodbye, firefighter. Firefighting is complete. Let's fill the fire truck with water.
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window.
Arrived at the water filling station. Let's prepare to add water. Fire hydrant. Turn the hose to tighten it. Which of these pipes can be connected? Awesome! The pipes are all connected. Water is filled up. Loosen the hose.
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window. Move the red switch to raise the cutout.
There is an emergency call for help. What shall we do? Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes climbed up the tree for fun and now they can't get down. Please come and save them. The ladder can be raised for rescue. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go. Firefighter Kiki, the baby foxes are on this tree. Save them quickly. Miss Maymay, don't be afraid. Firefighter Kiki will act immediately. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Stick and go to the bushes above for rescue. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Tap the spider web to destroy it. Tap the bush. The baby fox is hiding behind the bush. Tap the baby fox to catch it with a net bag. The baby foxes were successfully found. This is a perfect rescue. Kids, it's dangerous to climb up high. You're removed. Bye. Goodbye, Kiki. Look, the pool is short of water, and the wooden bridge cannot be crossed. Let's fill the pool with water. Drag the hose. Fantastic! The wooden bridge has floated up and it can be crossed. There is an emergency call for help! Oh no, the supermarket is on fire and many people are trapped in the supermarket! Firefighter Kiki, please come to the rescue! It's urgent! Come on, Kiki! The fire extinguisher can put out the fire. Firefighter Kiki gets ready to go! Firefighter Kiki, this is the supermarket that is on fire. Don't be afraid, Fuzzy. The fire rescue will start immediately. There are 4 trapped people in the supermarket. Let's start looking for them. Move Kiki to find the trapped people. There's a fire. Put it out. Fire extinguisher can put out all fires. The trapped person is in danger. Help him quickly.
Oh!
Thank you. The gas mask has strong protection. It can help isolate smoke and toxic gases. There's a fire. Put it... The trapped person is in danger.
Yeah!
Thank you. The trapped person is struggling to... Thank you. Choose protective tools for the... Not right. Not right. Thank you. Rescue all trapped people. Oh yeah! This is a perfect rescue. Kids, don't panic if there is a fire indoors. Waiting for firefighters to rescue removed. Bye! Goodbye, firefighter!
I can't see in front. Clean the wiper and clean the front window.
Arrived at the fire station. The busy day is over. Goodbye.